make sure they're fast show. They'll flip it over. Merci, как она вот. Really? That was. I think I go around. No, I know. I just want to take a picture. Watch the weight on that. I gotta write down. She is, guys.
This morning we will hear from Ivanka Trump, who will be our last witness in our case on direct in our case against Donald Trump, brothers, and the Trump organization. Ivanka Trump secured, negotiated loans to obtain favorable terms based on fraudulent statements of financial condition. And she will attempt today to distance herself from the company. But unfortunately, the facts will reveal that in fact that she was very much involved. We uncovered the scheme and she benefited from it personally. Ms. Trump will do all that she can to try to separate herself from this corporation, but she's inextricably tied to the Trump organization and to these properties that she helped secure financing for. So you cannot hide from the truth, and the facts will belie the truth and the evidence. So we look forward to her testimony.
Here we go. How you doing, Ivanka?
Look. Just look at that door. Don't push the barricade.
Do you make any comments?
That was it, huh? You have to ask people.
That's up.
after beginning.
Ivanka Trump. Ivanka Trump. She's over there getting in the clock.
I love you, Letitia! Letitia!
Good job!
Ivanka Trump was cordial, she was disciplined, she was controlled, and she was very courteous. But her testimony raises some questions with regards to its credibility, which will be a question for the finder of fact. The reality is that based on the evidence, the documentary evidence, she clearly was involved in negotiating and securing loans, favorable loans, for the benefit of the Trump organization, for Mr. Trump and her brothers, and for herself. At the end of the day, this case is about fraudulent statements of financial condition that she benefited from. She was enriched, and clearly you cannot distance yourself from that fact. The documents do not lie, the numbers do not lie. And despite the fact that she was very, very nice and very friendly, the facts basically demonstrate the truth. Thank you.
Did you hurt herself? Deliver this case.
Yeah, woo!
Letitia!
You're in New York Square,
Letitia, come on,
Try to wall this from the post.
Today, the Attorney General rested their case, and it is very clear that they have failed to prove the essential elements of the case. If anybody looks at it, we'll be dealing with this all tomorrow on our motion for directed verdict. Unfortunately for Ms. James and the Attorney General, we have spent 3 years doing this based on testimony from Michael Cohen, who walked into that courtroom and under oath in open court admitted that he perjured himself. He forgot about his testimony where he said that the president, that the CFO did nothing wrong. He has been inconsistent, it has been proven, and frankly, he should be prosecuted for it. Thank you.
Alina, who's your first witness?
Oh, you'll see. I'm not gonna give you any. I'm sorry?
Any hints?
Any hints? It'll be great. It'll be great because we have nothing to hide. You have to understand, 3 years of this, they didn't prove their limited things that they had to prove. They couldn't do it. They relied on Michael Cohen. I don't care what side of the fence you are in politics. You can't rely on Michael Cohen. And, I think the DA needs to look at this. I think they need to really prosecute this. And I think they need to look at how much money was spent and expose how much money was wasted by New York on a fake, phony case that's about political, basically ammunition for Letitia James. Look, she was here today. She was here today. Why? Because Ivanka, another child of the Trump family, was dragged into court again. It's enough. It's just enough. Wake up, America. It's just enough. It's the Trumps now, but it could be us. It's not good. Have a good night.